Okay, I'll redo this video on that concept builder, make it a little more clear on that last part, especially finding the angle there, and show you the steps. So I'm just going to do the level 1 just to make it a little bit of a shorter video here, but because they're all kind of similar. Do be careful. This one says 20. 1 square is 20, so that stumped me for quite a while. Okay, but let's go here. C is going to be over 20 then, and down 20, 40, so 40 negative here. And then A is actually over 0, so 0 on the X, and down 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, add up your components. Just add up that column, 20. Add up this column, negative 120. Check that answer. Okay, and then you have to, I believe you got to pick which one. Okay, so we're looking for one that has a small X component to the right and a big Y component going down, or vice versa, big down and small to the right. Or I'm thinking it's this one, has a big down component, negative, and a small X component, positive. Okay, the magnitude is just Pythagorean theorem with these, so you can just plug that in the calculator. 20 squared plus 120 squared. I think you guys hopefully are okay on that. 20 squared plus 120 squared, and then square root that answer. I'm getting 121.7. Where there were some questions was on the angle. So let me just see if I can show you the angle, because that is a little tricky. Okay, so look at our picture here. We're right 20 and down 120. I'm going to change to a whiteboard here. See if I can draw this clearly. Right 20 and down 120. And we're looking for the angle. From, it's always going to be from east. You know, this is the resulting vector. You draw this one down here. We're looking for the angle from east. So let's find this angle first, and then I'll show you how to find the angle from east. Okay, it's always going to be a tan. Tan of whatever X. Is going to be 120 over 20. Okay, which is just 6, right? So we're doing, to solve for X, it's going to be the tan inverse of 6. Make sure your calculator's on degree mode. So we'll say tan, look for that tan negative 1 of 6. Okay, I'll plug that in my calculator. Again, make sure you're on degree mode, not radian mode. There's always a way to switch between those on a calculator, but tan inverse of 6. I'm getting 80.5. Okay. So that's not the answer, because that's we want to know counterclockwise from east. Okay, so really it's looking for this angle here that goes zoom like this. So you got to think a little bit about what that is. Well, it's going to be 180 here plus another 90 here plus this. I mean, or you could say it's just it's 360. I'm sorry, 80.5 degrees short of a 360. So you could do, you know, 360 in this case minus the 80.5. Now it's not always going to be that, you know, it depends what quadrant you're in. So you got to think about a little bit what the angle is if you go around like this. Okay, that's the key. So you have to draw it out, and you have to think about what's this angle that goes around. Okay, in this case it's looking like that. Let me just check my answer though. 360 minus 80.5, 279.5. Let me see if that's right. Too many things open. There we go. 279.5. Okay, that was right. I'll give you an extra day on this concept builder because it is pretty intense actually. So you got today and tomorrow to work on that and get through it all. If you still have questions, get a hold of me. We can do a quick Zoom meeting. You got to go from counterclockwise, draw that picture out and find the angle from east counterclockwise. All right.